Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make this juicy and sweet mango, and here are the materials. To create a nice mango yellow color, simply mix sunflower yellow and lemon yellow clay together in equal part, and from there you can adjust the color by adding lemon yellow. Slice a small amount of clay and use your fingers to shape the mango. Use a picture reference if you want to have an accurate shape. For 1/12 scale, the mango should be around 10 to 12 mm tall. Prepare your basic red and green chalk pastel. This is what we are going to use to shade the mango. Use a dotting tool or cocktail stick to hold the mango. It would make your work easier and less messy. Use the red chalk pastel to shade the rounder part of the mango. And don't cover the whole thing with the red pastel. You want to have a bit of yellow on it. And then use the green chalk pastel for the narrower part of the mango. To complete the mango, attach the stem using dark brown clay. Simply roll it to a thin snake and put it in the hole. When you slice a whole mango clay, do not slice it in the middle. Try to move a bit less because in reality the mango has a seed, so it won't make sense if you perfectly slice the mango into half. And then next, create texture on the seed part. As you can see, I have to fill the mango with the clay because there was a hole in it. The hole was created when there's air in between, which is caused by not kneading the clay properly, and that was my mistake. After giving the seed area a texture, shade the seed with sunflower chalk pastel. And then slice the other half using a blade and carefully open and separate the slices. Put a bit of shading and then bake them completely, let it cool and seal it with glossy varnish. Thank you for watching this tutorial and enjoy your new project. Don't forget to click subscribe and get notified for new videos. Bye bye and see you next Saturday.